This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make your subscriptions list private on YouTube. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into my YouTube channel. To make your subscriptions list private on YouTube, first thing you want to do is log into your YouTube account. Then the next thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy. And then in the center pane right here, Subscriptions, it says Keep all my subscriptions private. You want to toggle this on right here. That is how to keep your subscriptions list private on YouTube. Thanks for watching.